Welcome to Pebble Brook Villas, located in Noblesville, Indiana. Today's featured condo is at 4918 Eldon Drive. Would you like to have a look around? Come with me. Hello, come on in and let me show you around. As you enter the great room in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo built by LENNAR, you'll notice the gas fireplace and luxurious vinyl planking. You'll enjoy the open concept that leads to the large dining room, kitchen, and office area. All stainless appliances and quartz countertops come with this kitchen. The owner's suite has a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, and ensuite. This walk-in shower has ceramic tile and a bench seat. This full bath is next to the second bedroom. Cabinets and a utility sink come with this laundry room. And who doesn't love a sunroom? This one leads to the covered porch. This low-maintenance community has many walking trails that lead you to places like this. When you buy a new condo at Pebble Brook Villas, you get a free 1-year membership at the Pebble Brook Golf Course. So what'd you think? If you would like more information about this condo or any of the other condos in Pebble Brook Villas, give me a call. I'll be happy to give you a private showing and answer all of your questions. Call me at 317-408-8899. Hello, this is Connie Hill with Century 21 Sheets. How may I help you? Yes.